of that so that we have that.
Mr. Murphy is currently in country to help raise awareness and advocate for urgent measures to address the ongoing HIV crisis in the country. During his speech this morning in Port Moresby, Murphy revealed that cases of HIV have increased by 131% since 2010.
HIV is far from over in Papua New Guinea. In fact, the epidemic is growing at alarming rates, and that's a serious concern for us. When I look across Asia and the Pacific, I have 3 countries that stand out in particular in this part of the region. That's the Philippines, Papua New Guinea, and now sadly Fiji as well, with rising epidemics of significance for us.
Murphy stated that Papua New Guinea faces an alarming rate of HIV infection with an estimated 80 new cases per day. He added, most new infections result from sexual transmission due to multiple unprotected sexual encounters. Currently, the number of people living with HIV in PNG since 2022 stands at 72,000, which is prevalent among the key population of young people aged 15 to 49 years. Murphy elaborates on the government's intervention to respond to this epidemic.
The government is responding. They've changed the treatment regimen, the type of drug, to make the risk of resistance to treatment reduced. Right? So there's some very positive moves from government.
Whilst acknowledging the government's response, he highlighted combating HIV requires collective teamwork and effort.
And that needs a combination response. It's not just the health ministry that needs to respond to this. We need all levels of society, all levels of government engaging in this. We need the Ministry of Finance to make sure the resources required by health and the other partners are there in place in the right times and the right locations.
Furthermore, Murphy made assurance that the UNAIDS and the UN system stand in solidarity with PNG to address the AIDS epidemic, highlighting that their shared commitment remains steadfast to eliminate AIDS as a public health threat by 2030. Gladys Kila, National EMTV News.